Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. How to offer a free shipping for orders above a certain amount. You can set up this thing in two ways. One, you can make a free shipping discount. Another, you can change charges in your Shopify settings. So first, I will show you how to make a free shipping discount. You can go to Shopify admin, click on discounts and click on create discount, and you can click on shipping discount. Right, then can make it an automatic discount or any a discount code. I'm making a free shipping automatic discount code. So you can select all countries or select countries. I'm selecting all countries, and you can give the minimum purchase amount, and you can give 1,000. I'm just giving 1,000, and it can be combined with any other discounts and combining with other discounts. And you can also set a activate date and end date. I'm saving. So this is the one way you can add it. And for example, if you try to check out, now it's below to 5,000 rupees and there will be charges. So for example, I'm giving a test address. So you can see there is charges. And if you try to add it as above 1,000 rupees, we can try that, making it 6. Now it will be above 1,000 rupees, and when we try to check out, you can see the free shipping discount is applied, right? One is this way. Another way is I'm making it deactive this discount. Another way is you can go to settings, shipping and delivery, and your general shipping rates. So this is the standard rate. So you can add a edit rate, add conditional pricing. You can make it based on order price, and 0 to 1,000 you can give this charge, and you can add one more rate called free shipping, and the condition is based on order price from 1,001 and no limit. Okay, this is how the other method you can adapt. And if we go to your store and reload it, when it's above 1,500, you can see free shipping. And when it is below 1,000 rupees, you can see the charges 50. This is how you can make this. And if you need a different charge for cash on delivery orders, you can use this app from Shopify App Store, this text order advanced cash on delivery app. These have so many features, like you can limit some values, countries, and everything. So if you find this video helpful for your settings, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.